Hello everyone. As a future professional teacher, I believe improving the quality of teaching in the Philippines starts with small, intentional steps. And for me, it's all about committed to continuous learning, staying updated with new teaching methods, educational technology, and approaches that make learning relevant for students. It is also about collaboration by working closely with fellow teachers, sharing ideas, and building a strong support system. We can uplift one another and improve collectively. And most importantly, I focus on building the meaningful connections with my students, creating an environment where they feel inspired and to learn and grow. Remember, every step we take as teachers shapes the future. Together, we can transform education and one student and one classroom at a time. Thank you. I am George B. Duway, teaching with purpose.